Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a good solid movement. When you consider that on 3 separate occasions, the price was down around that area, and then all of a sudden the price is now, hitting highs up here. And yeah, granted, it did close right there. But anyway, you slice it, any logical person is going to say, yeah, the bulls from these lows have definitely made a good solid move to get the price back up to this area of the chart. But that brings about the logical question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And for me, it's all about a single level on the chart. So like I said, I think with some logic and common sense, we can all agree here. And that is right here at 0014. Why is 0014 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0014. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here and comes, down around that area and then just goes along like this. Not to insult your intelligence, but obviously this box is higher than that box. It's staying outside of there. So if you picture this as kind of zones on the chart, so if you have one zone here and then all of a sudden the price bounces up to this zone right here and then ideally continues on up, well, what do you have in this situation? You have progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what progress is all about, making movements, making these quote-unquote boxes. And as long as these boxes keep getting higher and higher, then that's how overall uptrends are constructed. So sure, it's fun to talk about breaking levels of resistance and all that, but after movements like this, it's all about just building those higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how bounces are built, and then bounces can turn into reversals, and then that's how the overall uptrends are constructed. So nice move today, no doubt about it, especially when you, again, think about where the price was at those lows, and now you look at where the price is. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum, start to build some higher boxes or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.